I have a Bosch HBL5420UC, 500 series, 30-inch, wall oven. I got error code E118 one day. I rebooted the oven by turning off power at electrical panel. Oven worked again. Seems like it's having issues with convection mode, not regular baking mode. This has happened twice now.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. E118 means there is a communication error between your display board and your control board. You can uninstall the oven and remove the top panel to make sure the wiring between the display board and relay board are all secure, and if you continue to have problems, then you have a faulty part. You will need to replace the display board in order to fix the issue, because as the oven is running through its heating sequence it is not able to communicate with the touchpad or relay control board correctly, so it's giving an error. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
This diagnosis was completely wrong. The E118 code is a general fault code on this particular oven. The issue was the cooling fan, circulates air around wall oven while on, was gunked up dust/grease and spinning at too low of RPM, causing the fault code. I guess Bosch has seen this quite a few times on this particular wall oven model. Replaced fan oven is working like a champ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.